Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to answer the question that nobody's asking. Which one is the best, the adventure bike or the cruiser? Cue the intro. So before we start this video properly, of course, straight away, the Harley, the cruiser, is clearly the best motorcycle
No, clearly it's not. That bike only does one thing. It doesn't do it very well, does it? You want an adventure bike. You want a dual sport bike. You want to be having fun, enjoying yourself, not just plodding along on a fat old cruiser.
Well, that Harley does everything, and I'm going to prove it. So clearly, to make this work, it's going to have to be a contest between the Psychic's adventure bike, the pedo bike, and mine, the Harley Davidson. But of course, we're both going to argue it, so you need to decide. So for every single test, put in the comments which one you think wins. But we're going to start with me choosing first, and of course, the first bit has to be which one is the most sexiest bike on the road. Clearly, with that challenge done, mine is the best. The Sportster cruising along looking badass. But of course, it's not up to me or the sidekick. It's up to you guys and girls. So leave a comment and let us know which one you think is the best. But of course, now it's a sidekick's turn to pick what we do.
So we've been for a cruise. It's all a bit boring, but anyway, while you're out cruising, what do you want to do when you see a nice green lane somewhere? You want to go and explore it, don't you? So we've just found a green lane. We're going to go and ride down it. Obviously, I'm going to win, because that's what this bike's for. You take this down there, you're going to fall off, you're going to look stupid, obviously. But let's go. So clearly, this is where I'm going to win, because I've got the adventure bike and you've got the old man's cruiser.
Yeah, but adventure bikes have spoke wheels. I have a front spoked wheel, so this is an adventure bike. And that's the difference. See? I'm off. Already off-roading.
So I'm going to sit behind you for a minute and just laugh at you trying to get down there. So why don't you try standing up on your pegs, mate?
Like that, mate? Oh, yeah. Fucking hell.
Go on then. Are you there?
There's a difference between it though. I'm here to enjoy off-roading. You're just ripping away and you're missing out on the view.
I'm not taking the views in, I'm having a ride. What are you doing?
I am cruising off-roading with no problem at all. I mean, this is lapping it up like any adventure bike would, but I'm actually relaxed like in an armchair.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm cruising and loving it.
You're loving these bumps, yeah?
Yeah, look, no problem at all. Look at the Harley do it in style.
Why aren't you going through the holes?
I don't need to do. I'm in luxury. I'm off-roading in luxury. Don't chuck stuff in my face.
Come on, let's go. Let's have some fun.
Yeah, it's good fun.
Yeah! Woo! Where are you?
I'm coming, big boy. Oh my god. Yeah, no, it's awesome. The Harley's got no issues doing this whatsoever.
Bit of rain coming now as well. This is making it a bit more fun.
Yeah, my off-road tyres on my Harley will dig into that, no problem at all.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, no problem. Look at it. It's handling it with ease.
The well-known Harley off-road suspension. Doing well, is it?
I'm not feeling a bump. Like, this is like literally like I am sat on the sofa with my legs out, just chilling out, watching someone else do it on a big telly. Oh, you bugger! Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I mean that's easy. Look, I'm not struggling.
Look, why you got your legs out like a kid?
It's because what you do is when you're off-roading on a Harley, you put your legs out because you're so close to the floor. You can paddle your way through.
So clearly, after that little test, the adventure bike wins because it is the best bike for the job. Clearly, I had an adventure on it. Alan just waddled around with his legs out everywhere. But it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. So please give us a vote. Let us know what you think. Let us know that the Pegaso was the best bike, clearly. But we'll leave it up to you.
So with that done, we've got to move on to the last thing, the true thing that you must do to prove which is the best bike. And of course, that's a drag race. Okay, so you ready? Let's close our visors.
Right, ready?
And we'll go on go, okay? Get set, ready, go. Ready? Get set, ready, go! Well, I think the brute power of the Harley Davidson Sportster proved to be the champion, and I'll be honest, I generally thought that the Pegaso, the Aprilia, was going to win this. So Harley's just proven it yet again, but you might think differently. You might think because I've got a bigger CC engine I don't deserve to win it. So again, put in the comments which one on that one, number 3, did you think was the best? The Harley kicked ass, or of course the Aprilia. But now what we're going to do is go to the pub and argue about which one's the best. But we have to really wait until you put in the comments which ones you do, so we can tally it up to really see who is the winner. So we'll look forward to reading them.
So I would like to say on a personal level, thank you to Clive Reeson for sending me a carb for this bike. So anybody that knows, has been following this, I've been having a few little problems with this. They've all been ironed out now, but the main one was a carb, and I'd like to say a big thank you to that guy because he has sent me some carbs. He is sitting about at home for a while and he's posted them to me free of charge. I've gone through them, fitted them, and this bike is now 100%, and that's a big thank you to Clive. Thank you, mate, really appreciate that. But you've got to subscribe. Anybody that's not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification and watch for what's coming next. We have got 12 hours of torture on 125cc bikes coming up, so keep your eyes peeled, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, and we'll see you next time on Helmet Head. Thanks everyone.